Well, this is what's going on today. I'm boiling some potatoes in there, and they're just about ready. And on this other end, I have some fried rice and some other minced meat. There's some ham in there, so it's falling apart. And some whoa, steamy hot. So there's some ham here, and there's some old meats too, so it's just been the same theme as before. And the potatoes here they're pretty nice and done, so you can see these are done. There's the meats too, so different meats in there. Same the potatoes. So there's some sun-ripened stewed tomatoes. So I need to actually add a little more beef broth in there to get it to have the potatoes soak up some of it. Actually, I need to now about start it up a bit. I wanted some of the stuff to sear good on the bottom, but still have some of the liquid. And the rice was on top. I didn't want it to just first soak up the liquid just yet. And now it's about time to incorporate it together. So I want it incorporated, but not too incorporated where it's, you can see how this seared. So one side will be nicely seared, the other side would be not. So, and you know, you'll have a varied taste to it. I wanted to put green beans and carrots, but I figured this time I'll just eat a salad beforehand, and then have this delicious meal. There's no like the end of a ham hock here. So it's gonna be some very tasty stuff right here. So this really, it's about as ready as it gets. I just need to add a little bit more broth that the potatoes can suck in some of the juice, and then it's not too dry to the tasting. Too dry of, you know, the potatoes and rice tend to soak up more of the juice. So Max, you wanna go outside? Maxie. You want to go outside while we see what's out there. Oh, as you can tell, it's steaming up because of the good thing about it cooking like that is that it creates steam. Because when it's cold, the air gets dry. And my wind chimes, actually I got those wind chimes from one of my lady friends in North Carolina. And they've been there for a while. And I can kind of now see the apple there. Let me see. I can walk there. It's freezing and cold, and windy too. But I can walk close enough to get a little grips. You can see it's the wind chimes. You can hear how hard the wind is blowing. It's blowing like crazy. Oh, that's cutting too. Like, I mean, it's cold. It's way freezing than I thought. So, as you can see, the trees have lost their leaves too quite a bit. Even the apple tree has just a little bit left. So it's windy, so I'm sure something's coming along. Usually when it's windy like this, there's some kind of something coming. You can hear how strong the wind is blowing. A storm of some kind coming. It's really windy and cold. It's like you can hear the gust going that way, the gust going that way. It's like music of the wind. Yep, so that's how the weather is out here today. Alright, I better get in there. It's freezing out here. So anyway, I know usually people will ask for a recipe or something, but these are just leftover meals that I'll sometimes take and mix together to create something. So other than the potatoes that are boiled, there's really about everything, and the meat that I fried. Most of the stuff is pretty much pre-made or pre-cooked. So, you know, it's not something that I cooked or created right away. But I'll be doing that soon. I have a turkey leg. Maybe I should make that, but we'll see about it. So, thank you everybody, and thank you for the support, and thank you for everything. Have a blessed Thanksgiving holiday and Thanksgiving week, and have a good time. See you next time.